guys, and today I'm going to be showing you the slime that we made on the collab video from
Subscribe to Cecilia
Pizza Unicorn. Okay, so this thing is not stretchy at all because I added too much baking soda. Because I'm a stupid 4th grader. 4th graders are all stupid. No offense, 4th graders.
Don't subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my channel, please. And the finished product is amazing, though it doesn't bounce too much.
Subscribe to Pizza Unicorn and Cecilia McBride.
And also, we will show you this other slime in this video after Kara's done.
Okay, so jump roping with some bubble gum. Yes, it might not look like it on your tablet or phone or computer, wherever you're watching it, but it feels and looks like bubble gum from here. Doesn't smell like it though. It smells like a little kindergartner peed his pants and left it in a bag, and now he's a freshman in high school. That would be the worst smell ever. Well, I finally get to experience what that would smell like. We're gonna reuse this slime, a lot less baking soda. It's just slimy. Slimy. Doesn't stretch much. Bounces a lot more than the bubblegum slime. Its stretch meter is an absolute bad stretching. And the slime, every single slime has the feel meter of 1,000. It feels so soft. Including this one. This one's even fluffier. Okay, make sure you subscribe to my channel.
And my channel. And Cecilia is subscribe to Pizza Unicorn, her channel, and Cecilia McBride.
Also, by the way, before I say goodbye, before we end this video, I just want to tell you, go check out my first video. It's called Big Stupid Video About Me.
And it's really dumb.
Yeah, it's just a video of me putting on lip gloss. And it's like 1 minute or 50 seconds long. I have no idea.
And this feels so disgusting.
Bye-bye. This video is literally only 3 minutes, but still.